This is the OECS Yes I News, and I am your host for this February 2022 edition. My name is Javi Hamilton, and I hail from the Albino Lake Hodge Comprehensive School in Angola. Angola is a small island with a population of approximately 15,000. We are known for our tasty peas and rice, white sandy beaches, and warm, smiling, friendly people. Our broadcast for this month commences with our peers in Guadeloupe taking us on a field trip. Students there engage in experiential learning with a visit to a cassava house and appear to thoroughly enjoy it. Let's take a look.
My name is Fleur, and today, students from Lycée Gervais-Riache are going to discover how to bake and cook cassava. Cassava has been processed for centuries in the West Indies and is part of our regional gastronomy. Institutions such as the Maniocerie de Germaine are trying to pass this precious knowledge to the younger generations. We are doing this field trip as we are taking part in a concourse about the memory of slavery. Wish us good luck and come with us to discover this Caribbean heritage.
This morning we saw all the ingredients of this garden, like the paracetamol, the moringa, and different other plants. And of course the manioc, the main ingredient of the cassava. And we saw how they are beneficial for the body and the health. And it was a very, very great experience for us.
We are sifting the manioc and collecting the manioc that wasn't grated. And now we are breaking the big pieces of manioc into small pieces.
So we are doing akras. That's why we are mincing and peeling the onions with parsley and the sieve. We are grating the coconut, and we are mixing all with the chili and the pasta. And after we are frying it. Thanks.
This concludes our report at the Maniocerie de Germaine. Thank you for watching. I am Fleur from Gervais-Riache High School in Guadeloupe, and I am reporting for OECS Yes I News.
Thank you, Flo. Certainly looks like it was an awesome experience. Our next report is from right here in Angola. Quality education teaches students to appreciate differences among people and to value everyone equally. The Ministry of Education here in Angola celebrated differences by hosting Special Education Week from February 6th to 11th. One of our student reporters caught up with young Talik and filed this report.
I am Taekwondo Chutson. I am in fourth form. I will be speaking with Talik Hal Samson, a student who is physically disabled. Hello, Talik.
Hello, Takwani.
I saw students with disabilities and other special needs during the opening ceremony for Special Education Needs Week. I was pleased with what I saw them doing. Talik, you have a physical disability. Tell us about yourself.
Well, I'm Talik Haas Sampson. I am 15 years old. I'm a fourth farm student, and I am a band too.
Tell us some things you do.
Well, let me start you out with a little history. When I was in grade 5, I joined the annual spelling bee competition. and my school was the winner. As a hobby, I used to play tennis consistently for 2 years. I enjoy reading adventure stories and romance.
What are your favorite subjects?
I like electronics, English language, English literature, and accounts.
Talik, it seems like nothing will stop you from realizing your dream.
You bet. But I want to take this opportunity to thank the Department of Education in Angola for observing Special Education Week every year. The activities show people that they must not focus on our special needs or our disabilities. Instead, they must focus on our abilities.
Thanks, Talik.
You are welcome.
You did it. You did it. Good job.
I am reporting from Anguilla. I am Tiquana Richardson.
Many thanks to our champion Tali. We use this occasion to celebrate you as well as others like you. Keep striving. Finally, in this broadcast, we receive word from a parents' university established in Grenada. What is this all about? Sounds interesting indeed. To hear more, we turn to this report from our Grenada correspondent.
Today I chat with teacher Miss Nicholas and a parent Mrs. Sylvester about the Parent University. Miss Nicholas, what is the Parent University all about?
Now, Parent University originally came about in 2019 under the leadership of our past principal, Miss Rosetta Braffett, now deceased. We realized the importance of collaborating school and home. So what we did, we asked the parents to come in. So back then they actually came into the school. But because of the pandemic, we decided we're going to ask the parents to Zoom in so that we can teach them and we can equip them with the different resources in order to help them help their children. When parents are involved, Emmanuel, we got better assessment results. We got better homework. Persons were coming in with homework. Those who were not doing homework before, we see that they were getting homework. Sometimes parents get so frustrated they don't know how to teach their children. So we equipped them with that knowledge so that they can teach their children. And we, the teachers, even learned. Because sometimes in the interaction, the parents taught us different ways that we can get the children to learn different things.
Thank you, Miss Nicholas, for sharing such important information. We now hear from Mrs. Odessa Sylvester, a participant of the Parent University. Mrs. Sylvester, how has the Parent University helped you?
The Parent University has helped me a lot. It has helped me to get more involved in my children's education. It showed me a lot about what they were doing in the school. So when they came home at evenings, I'm able to reinforce what Miss would have taught them during the day. It also helped me to build my relationship with the teachers. So as parent-teachers, we ended up with a better relationship and we together are able to better help our children in their education. In addition to that, it gave me the tools and the knowledge that I needed to help my children more in their schoolwork.
Thank you, Mrs. Sylvester, for sharing with us.
You're welcome.
I am Emmanuel Wowood for the OECS ESI News.
That's it for the February 2022 edition of the OECS ESI News. It was a pleasure being your host. Join us again on our social media platforms across the OECS for the March 2022 edition of the OECS Yes I News. I am Javi Hamilton. Goodbye, everybody.